Okay, class. Today we are going to read a book about turning red.
Excuse me, Mr. Henry. Can I go to the bathroom?
No. You may not. Dark Giga Rain Buzzer Jr.
That's okay, Mr. Henry. I will go to the bathroom right here instead.
Sit right back down. Dark Giga Rain Buzzer Jr. Dark Giga Rain Buzzer Jr. You don't poop on me. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Dark Giga Rain Bowser Jr., what brings you here to my office this time?
I pooped on Mr. Henry.
Dark Giga Rain Bowser Jr., you know we don't poop on your teacher. That's it, you're expelled. Go home right now. Dark Giga Rain Bowser Jr., how dare you poop on Mr. Henry? You know that was so very disgusting.
That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 450 million years.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.
Well,